Today I want to talk about the graphite topper from Allswell Home. Allswell Home came onto the scene about a year ago, and what really made them competitive is they came to market with a hybrid mattress for $345 in a queen size. So they really made a splash. And they're going to make a splash with this topper not only for quality, feel, but also price. So you may be wondering why you might need a mattress topper. Normally, if you have a bed that is structurally sound, there's no big divots or dips, or your back isn't sagging too much, topper is great to add extra pressure relief without having to pay for an upgrade to a new mattress. First thing I noticed is the mattress topper comes in a little box. It comes wrapped just sort of like a mattress would. It's compressed and wrapped. It almost comes like this little compressed ball. Basically, you just cut that shrink wrap open and it slowly comes to life. You may think, oh man, this mattress topper, I don't know, doesn't look too great. Give it about 10 minutes and you'll see that it comes to shape just like what you see behind me. And what I like about it is the graphene. It has a cooling technology, so it's great for people that sleep really hot. And at 3 inches, you're getting a lot of comfort there. So if you're a side sleeper and you're getting shoulder and hip pain, 3 inches is gonna do it for you. I never really recommend 1 or 2 inch toppers because you're not getting enough foam for a substantial enough feel. You may buy it and you may think, well, this really isn't solving my problem. So I usually, at minimum, recommend a 3 inch topper. The queen size Allswell graphite topper retails for $109, which I think is a really good value. If you were to shop around on Amazon or Target, you'd be hard pressed to find graphite at 3 inches in that $109 price range. And to top it all off, you do get a 30-day trial period. So if for some reason you don't like it, it's an easy return. And in my mind, it's a lot easier to just add a topper to a mattress that otherwise feels fine than outright purchase a brand new mattress. It's a good stopgap between a new mattress and your old one. So if you're not quite ready to commit to a new mattress, but you want better pressure relief, definitely give this one a try. It's got the graphite cooling technology. That's 3 inches of foam are really gonna help with sore shoulders and sore hips. You've got that 30-night trial, so it's an easy return if you don't like it. And just head over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll give you the full breakdown and the best discounts.